Introducing the Bishamon EZ-Off Lifter, the world's most advanced floor access pallet positioner. The EZ-Off Lifter is unique in that it offers the advantage of pallet truck accessibility combined with a rotating platform. It helps to improve productivity and worker safety in the process of loading and unloading pallets or skids. It features electrohydraulic 115-volt AC powered operation. By simply actuating a hand control or optional foot switch, the operator can maintain the load at a convenient working height. This gives the operator complete flexibility in positioning the load to minimize lifting, bending, and stretching. There are two EZ-Off Lifter models to choose from. The EZ-Off Lifter, which is freestanding and provides one fixed ramp position, and the EZ-Off Lifter 3S model, which must be lagged to the floor and offers the added flexibility of 3 ramp positions. Both models feature 2,500 pound capacity, 40.5 inch diameter rotating platforms, 1 3/4 inch lowered height, an integral loading ramp, and both handle pallets or skids up to 44 by 48 inches. Operation is easy. For loading operations, simply center an empty pallet on the rotating platform, and for unloading applications, simply center the loaded pallet on the rotating platform with your pallet truck. The cleverly designed rotating platform with a 1 3/4 inch lowered height makes loading and unloading easy. Once the pallet is centered, the operator can now position the top of the load or the empty pallet at a convenient working height. The EZ-Off Lifter is infinitely adjustable throughout the travel range from 1 5/8 to 30 inches. The patented feet clear circuit protector stops the downward travel of the platform at 9 inches above the floor and several inches above the base legs. This feature serves 3 purposes. First, it enables full rotation of the pallet for completion of the load. Secondly, it allows the pallet to be set to the home position for pallet truck fork access before lowering to the floor level. Thirdly, stopping the platform at 9 inches above the floor prevents unintentional foot entrapment under the platform or pallet. The operator must activate the hand or foot control button a second time to completely lower the platform. Then there is a 3-second delay with both visual and audio warnings before the platform fully lowers to the floor. Other safety features include safety covers around the masts and rollers and a chain cover, all of which protect from possible pinch points. An automatic platform lock prevents rotation in the lowered position. Other operational features include the use of 32 precision bearings supporting the platform. Lifting tabs and platform catches allow for easy fork truck transport, and a high-quality powder coat provides a durable, long-lasting finish. All EZ-Off Lifters are manufactured at our state-of-the-art facility located in Ontario, California, USA. Contact us for more information on the EZ-Off Lifter or other quality Bishamon products.